Australia. This is Crystal Wilson reporting for Geography Weather. A high-pressure system is bringing fine weather to Adelaide, Victoria and Tasmania. Adelaide is going through a heat wave with temperatures rising above average. Perth will be hit with a cold front in approximately 24 hours. The northern coast of Australia is suffering miserable weather as a low-pressure system is bringing storms and heavy rain. Sydney is suffering from moderate cloud coverage, while Melbourne is coping with soaring temperatures. Tropical cyclones are intense, spinning, low-pressure storm systems with low-pressure centres that can be vast in size. They form over warm oceans in the tropics and can wreak havoc when they approach the shore. A tropical cyclone needs two main components, a gathering of thunderstorms and a warm body of water of at least 27 degrees Celsius. The warm tropical ocean under a developing storm evaporates, then condenses to form clouds, discharging heat throughout the process. The heat energy combined with the rotation of the Earth gets the cyclone spinning and forces it forward. While the cyclone appears violent from the outside, its low-pressure centre, known as the eye, is calm. Here the strongest winds and greatest rainfalls are found. The eye is usually over 40 kilometres in diameter, but can range in size from less than 10 kilometres to over 100 kilometres. Tropical Cyclone Larry formed off the northeastern coast of Australia. The cyclone increased in power quickly and came ashore on Queensland's eastern shoreline, where it pounded beaches with heavy surf, ripped roofs of buildings and flattened trees and banana plantations over a wide region. It is estimated that about 90% of Australian banana crops may have been lost in this storm. Cyclone Larry had come ashore onto the mainland, losing much of its power as it journeyed west. Cyclone Larry formed over the warm waters of the eastern Coral Sea a few days ago on March 18, 2006. Cyclone Larry was a severe tropical cyclone, consequently remaining as a Category 3 cyclone. For Cyclone Larry to form in the eastern Coral Sea, the environment must have had warm ocean waters of at least 27 degrees Celsius, relatively moist air, and low vertical winds. Tropical Cyclone Larry has touched down on the northeastern coast of Queensland this morning, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. Residents caught in the cyclone are warned to tie down any loose objects that could be of harm to anyone and to shelter in stable houses. Now over to Molly Hooper in the centre of Cyclone.
Thank you, Crystal. Today, Tropical Cyclone Larry crossed the northern coast of Queensland near Innisfail on Monday the 20th of March 2006. Luckily, no lives have been lost, but 30 have been reported injured. It's quite rainy and wet.
Now for some live footage and photos.
Ah!